Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I will be making some quick and easy, beautiful home decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. In today's video, I'm going to paint these Dollar Tree wood leaves. I have two of them, so I'm going to paint them like one going one direction, and I'm going to turn the other way around and paint it the other way so they can like look in together. Hopefully it made sense. So I am going to make a mixture of browns and a little bit of whites to make like this clay looking color. I'm going to distress the leaves using a beige color. So these have like these little hooks, so you can have like a hanger. Instead, I'm going to just add the little hooks on the back of the leaves, and I'm going to cut this top part. And that is it. Look how beautiful these turned out. This is a set of two. For my next project, I will be making a sign so it can go in between the leaves. Now from Dollar Tree, I'm using this one right here. It did have like a welcome sign in the front, which I removed. As you can see, it has these little pieces missing. So now I'm going to just paint it using the same color. So now I'm going to add the word home, and to do that, I'm gonna use the Dollar Tree vinyl. I'm going to flip it around and then make an H, an M, and an E. For the O, I'm going to use something else. So to make the letters, I use this piece of wood. I then realized that I had made them way too big, so I do end up making them smaller. And this is how they look. So now I'm going to cut them. Since this is a vinyl, I am going to just use them like stickers. I'm not using the transfer sheet. I left a space in between the H and the M. So I'm going to use the vinyl in this leaf that I got from a greenery pick that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to trace it and cut it, then add it as the O. And that is it. Look how beautiful this home sign turned out, which it goes perfectly with my first project. For my next project, I'm using this mason jar, which I'm actually reusing it or repurposing this already twice. This does come from a spaghetti sauce. I painted it white. Now I am going to add the same leaf on one of the sides and I'm going to trace it. Now Dollar Tree does carry some similar mason jars like this. So now I'm going to paint it using the same mixture, but as you can see, I did add a piece of the painter's tape because I want the top part to be left white as well as the leaf. I did give this 2 coats of that paint. Once it was dry, I removed the tape. And this is how it looks. Look how beautiful. Now the last thing I will be doing is just adding a Dollar Tree greenery pick. For my next project, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree cake tray and some of the Dollar Tree popsicle sticks. Using the same paint, I'm going to paint the popsicle sticks. As you can see, I didn't paint the entire popsicle stick because I am going to be cutting the little curve size. Once these are dry, I am going to arrange them or place them like this. But as you can see, I kind of made them like curvy because I'm going to put the cake tray on top of it and trace it. Once I am done tracing these, I am going to cut that top part. And the other side, I'm going to just cut it straight. Before I glue these, I am going to use a piece of senshi and smooth them out. So now I'm going to place them inside the tray. So like that, I know I cut them good and they fit. Once I know everything fits, I am going to start gluing them using hot glue. And this is how they look once I added the first round of popsicle sticks. Now I am going to glue the second round, which is this only right here. These are 4 popsicle sticks that I only removed the little round part. The rest of them I do have to cut them to size. But one thing I do wish I did differently is cut all of them different sizes and just start adding them inside the tray so they all can be differently. Because now it's going to look a little bit weird that one side, the popsicle sticks are going to be very small. But I still love how this turned out. To finish this off, I am going to use the piece of senshi and send it out. Look how beautiful this looks now. So that is it for this tray. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.